Hi, this is Mahanevita and this is my project on Tamil Nadu district information. The objective of this app is to find the information of the districts and also the information and contact details of the district collector. First, I have put in a canvas and set the background image to the Tamil Nadu district map, and then I have put in 5 image sprites, each of it having the picture as location pins. I have also added 5 player components which each have the names of the districts being told. In the block section, I have given when screen 1 initialize, I have allocated the position of the image sprites. When each image sprite is being touched, the player having the name of the district is being called to start, and then the other screen which is for the particular district is being opened. For the districts, I have given a horizontal arrangement and then a vertical arrangement. In the horizontal arrangement, I have given 2 buttons, collector details and district details. Below in the vertical arrangement, I have given 2 text boxes which is only readable. The first text box contains the details of the collectors, and the second text box contains the details of the district. Below I have given a button for the user to go back to the map. In the block section, I have given when this screen, which is Chennai, initializes, both the text boxes, visibility of the text boxes are being set to false, and when button 2, which is the district details, is being touched, the visibility of the details containing the collector is being set to false, and the text box containing the details of the district is being set to true. And when button 1, which is the details of the collector, is being touched, the text box containing the details of the collector is being set, visibility is being set to true, and the other is set to false. When button 3, which is the back to map button, is being touched, it takes back the user to the first screen, which is the screen having the image of the map. This is how all the other 5 screens are. Each of it contains the information of the districts and the collectors details. I have put in the details in the text box here, and for the background image I have set the images which are related to the district. Thank you.